Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have got a December's Indy Box. So as always, if you're new to Indy Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen my last video or you know everything there is to know, then you will find a timestamp down below, so you're free to flick forward. Indy Box is a monthly subscription box that works with small businesses by working with over 70 independent brands. Inside every box you will find 5 tried, tested and loved products. The cost of the box is £25 and shipping to the UK is £2.99. Shipping to Ireland is £9.50. Every box is guaranteed to have a value of a minimum of £50 a month, and if you're not sure if you would like to subscribe to the box, they do offer a one-off box for £27. Products range from skincare, hair care, cosmetics, body care, beauty tools and accessories, and sometimes they pop added bonuses in there as well. There are no samples. All products are either full size or travel sizes. So every month around the 3rd they will show a full spoiler of all the products that are going to be inside that month's box. So if you're wondering if this is a box for you or not and you'd rather see what's inside before you commit to purchasing or subscribing, then you can have a sneak peek that way. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They kindly sent me November's box. I loved my review and asked if I'd be interested in receiving their December's box, so I'm very grateful that they sent it out to me. So all links and everything related to this subscription I will pop down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So it looks like inside, it's a little card here. Treat yourself this Christmas. It says here, to enjoy your festive Indy Box, your followers can use code DIARY10 for 10% off their first box. Have the most amazing Christmas. Love the Indy Box. I'll pop that code down below as well. So yeah, let's open it up. It's a gorgeous smell, sort of like spiced apples. Oh, it's the first time I've actually opened it up, had a look, so I don't know what's inside. We also get a little card like this, and inside details everything about the products as well. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. We got a little card here. What's this? Say hello to beautiful skin. It's a little promo card related to something in the box I can see there. Okay, I'll give you a sneak peek first. There's some things there, some things there. I'll give you a proper look in a minute. So the first item in the box is by the brand Virgin Alchemy, and this is a refreshingly beautiful skincare faux fairy floss martini scrub. Okay, that's what the outer packaging looks like. So it's in a little resealable bag. It says, well, who thought a cocktail would ever be anything other than delicious to drink and character building? Well, now it's the time for that to happen. Our scrubs are non-toxic, cruelty-free, and just happen to feel and smell incredible. The delicate blend of nourishing oils, sugars and salts can dramatically improve the skin's hydration, appearance and tone. Let the refreshing scents transport you to a beautiful beach far, far away. And it says here you should expect to use approximately 2 small handfuls of scrub over your entire body. It says leave to soak for a few minutes, then rinse off. And it just says, and feel the difference, and take care if you're using it on your face, because obviously your face is more delicate. Well, let's open it up and have a sniff then. Can you see in there properly? It's stuck to the inside, but you might be able to see in there. What is the smell? What's in it? Fairy floss martini. It smells nice. But it also has a slight smell of farm in it. It's not horrible at all. It just, I don't know why. Why smell of a farm? I'm not saying it smells of cow poo. It's really nice and fruity. It smells really lovely. But there's like a bit of a farm scent going on. Oh, I can't describe it. If you receive this box, please let me know if I'm making any sense. This is full size, and to buy it, it will cost you £9.99. Founded in 2020 in a bathroom in the south of England, Jen Randall was tired of using products that didn't help her dry skin, so decided to make her own. She wants her products to give everyone the opportunity to have fun and feel beautiful. Next we got this is a sheet mask, and this is by Boo Boo, if I said that right. Boo Boo Skincare Pollution Busting Sheet Mask. City living can get pretty dirty. Clean up your act with our pollution busting advanced glitterati mask and protect your skin from grime and dirt, giving you the confidence to #boo and get fresh. Okay, I want to open it up, but the thing is, when you open up masks like this, you have to use it straight away, and I've got a lot to do tonight. If I leave this out, I'll do it over the next couple of days, and I'll post a picture up on Instagram. It shows you how to apply it. It comes in 2 parts, and leave it on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. So all the details are on the back there. The recommended retail price for this mask is £7. In a fast-paced world of pressure on how we should look, Boo Boo is about being, I hope I'm saying that right, Boo Boo. I hope so. Boo Boo is about being or trying to be nothing other than yourself. Founder Marianne Morrison has been able to combine skincare needs with her passion for well-being. So there's that. Next we've got the cutest packaging. Is this what I can smell? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's lovely. It's toasted marshmallow wax melt. And I don't think this comes with it. I'm not sure. This was underneath it, a little wooden spoon. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. I have got a thing for wax melts. I use them all the time. I do really like them. Candles as well, scented candles. This smells gorgeous. It does smell like, it smells like spiced apple. But yeah, just marshmallows. Oh, it's so, so nice. Handmade by Hannah Rose. I'm not going to fully open this up. I'm going to save it. You can see there. Yeah, this mini wax melt would cost you £2. In our December box, you will find a mini festive scented wax melt made with love and wrapped in the most beautiful festive packaging. Name a better duo than Christmas and a wax melt. Next, we've got a serum. This is by Priestess. This is a vetiver patchouli natural vegan moisturizing face serum, and we've got 30 mils here. So it looks like that. It's made in Scotland, 100% natural, vegan and cruelty free, and invigorating, this is really small writing now, hold on, an invigorating, super hydrating face serum made with glow boosting ingredients for radiant silky skin, with a quick absorbing blend of hydrating oils and wax, anti-aging moringa oil and powerhouse active ingredients, blueberry seed oil. Priestess serum will... I'm struggling. It will feed your skin with natural nourishing goodness. There. There's more. Oh, it's one of these child safety things. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, I put too much on my hand. You can see it's glistening. Buy the serum, it'll cost you £14.40. It says Rebecca Miller struggled with her own skin journey throughout her teenage and early adult years, so she spent her time researching ingredients to create her own products to solve problematic skin. It is important to Rebecca to create her products with only loving and caring intentions. I think that's lovely. And then it goes into telling you about the ingredients and what I read off the back there. It's got a face serum. Next we've got some eye pads, and these are by Chemist London. This is a Rose Illuminating Glow Hydrogel eye pads. I'll get them out and show you. Now this isn't a new brand. This is a brand that I've received quite a few of their products in different subscription boxes over the last couple of years. But yeah, I'm sure I've had these in the past at some point as well. I do like these pads though. I've got a little fridge and my daughter and I share it, and we've got masks and things in there, so yeah, tend to put these in there as well. Whoa, are they really that price? The recommended retail price for these pads is £33 for the one pad. No, surely not. Maybe it comes in a pack of 5 or something. It doesn't say anything on the information here. But £33 for some eye pads. That is quite pricey, isn't it? But anyway, it says, target dull under eyes in time for the festive season. These pads will hydrate and even out your skin tone, leaving your eyes looking rejuvenated. Richard Walker founded Skin Chemist after working with his father. His father told him to make his products with love and make it knowing his treatments were going to help so many people, which inspired his journey in the cosmetic industry. It's got some eye pads. Next we got a liquid highlighter, and I was asked which shade of 3 would I like, so I went for a more goldy one. I'm not sure what the shade is called. I'll open it up and show you now, but this is by Dominique Cosmetics. This is Koh Samwai, if I said that right, and this is a liquid highlighter and it's 20 mils. Yeah, it's got 3 different shades there. There you go. So what is it? It's more, yeah, like a, I'd say like a pinky toned, a gold toned and a copper toned highlighter. It is very, very thick and gloopy. Ooh, yeah, very, very thick. I've put too much now on my hands. Can you see? Oh, it feels absolutely gorgeous. It feels really moisturising. Oh, that feels so, so nice. Oh, that's not too bad, actually. I mean, not too bad. I am really, really fussy with my highlighters, liquid highlighters. I don't want to have a strobing face. I don't want to have a glittery, like sparkly face. But I do like to have a dewy look to my skin, and I think this is gorgeous. I do really like it. So the recommended retail price for this highlighter is £14. This can be applied with your foundation, primer or moisturiser, or use it on its own for a youthful glow. Dominique Paul has over 10 years experience in the beauty industry. Dominique Paul's cosmetic story is one that shows the challenges of life, but with a passion and commitment, how one can make a success of a dream and bring a new indie cosmetic brand to the market. Yeah, I'm really impressed with that. And lastly is a little added extra. We got a Lindor chocolate. Oh, these are gorgeous. They are my favourite chocolates. Oh, mind you, I love so many different types of chocolates. I do love chocolate. I do love chocolate. And oh, I love this one. So yes, it's a little added treat. There's no information about this. So yeah, so thank you, Indy Box. So I'm just going to gather them all up and add them up and I'll be back. So these are all the products inside the December Indy Box. The cost of the box is £25 and the value comes to £80. But I do have to question the actual value of the Skin Chemist. I think that is really pricey, £33, so I'm not sure whether they made a mistake. I love the fact that they put information about all the brands that they work with. It just gives a bit of a more personal feel to it, which I really, really like. And yeah, I think we've got some really lovely things here. I love the chocolate, love the freebie. We've got a highlighter, body scrub, a face mask, some eye gels, gorgeous, gorgeous smelling wax melts. And we've got the serum as well. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you receive the Indy Box, or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.